What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon and welcome to this new video on Hedera, or the HBAR coin, which we'll cover. But we'll also talk a little bit about Hedera. That's why I said it like that. But mainly HBAR. It's needed that we it was needed that we do a little update on that. Last analysis, I said last analysis was pretty valid up until now. Right now we're really in the last part of the analysis I did, where I said that we would probably drop down to 6.4 cents, consolidate a little bit there, and then eventually be able to break above our resistance again at around 6.75 cents. And from there, start another leg up towards 8 cents, which is fairly bullish. So we'll talk about whether I still expect that, and just in general everything you need to know. So let's get right into it. Right now Hedera is still doing fairly well. I'd consider it very strong. If you take a look at the volume, all right, that has dropped down quite significantly back to levels we were at least before the big spike we had the 20th of January. But Hedera's volume has always been relatively low. I mean, if you take a look at the last 3 months, right now we're still fairly high. So yeah, that's just kind of the nature of what Hedera is right now. And then fundamentally, if you take a look at the chain, what you'll be able to see is that it actually is doing good, but it's not doing better than last time we covered it. As you can see, the total value locked has, since the beginning of the year, gone up a lot, from 73 million to 125 now, which is obviously amazing. It's almost 100% increase. But lately it hasn't been doing that much. I mean, you can see the 7-day change has even cooled down a little bit. Overall, still doing very well. As I said, in chains it's now ranked number 26, and its rank is 38. So it's still, I would say intrinsically it's valued right. But now if we take a look at the price, as I said, right now we're really at this at the end of my analysis, and I actually do think that we will be able to break above 7 cents, which is now, I'm going to drag this away a little bit, which is now our main resistance level. As I said, we managed to break above 6.75 cents, but we have found resistance already after breaking above 6.7 cents. We found resistance at 7 cents already 3 times, so it's a very strong resistance level. But I do expect us that we'll be able to stay on top of 6.7 cents, and at some point, probably the end of Sunday or the beginning of Monday, that we'll be able to break above 7 cents. Now, I 100% acknowledge and agree that that's a risky take and risky assumption to make. But I think that's going to happen because of 2 reasons. I think the market is still doing fine. The broader fundamental ecosystem and environment of crypto, I think, is doing fine. And then also next week, Wednesday, we'll have the interest rate coming out from the Federal Reserve. And historically, or at least last month, in December, when the inflation rates were also dropping, what happened ahead of the interest rate is this. And for HBAR it was not that bullish, but for the entire market it was. Actually, that Monday up until the Wednesday we were relatively bullish with the market. And I think now that the market overall has reacted way more to the economic circumstances and economic environment, I think we'll be able to get more bullish momentum ahead of the Federal Reserve interest rate decision. And actually that will push us above 7 cents. Now, I am going to lower my price target a little bit towards 7.5 and 7.6 cents. I think it's a little bit too much to ask to break through that entire level. Sure, we might do that, but I think we'll find resistance first at 7.5, 7.6, because in the end, it's a very strong technical level. It's a psychological level. And then from there, we'll see again, and I'll update it again. But that's my take on HBAR, my update on HBAR for now. If you do have any questions, let me know, and take care. Bye.